Did you ever look in the mirror, spot a grey hair, and think, wait, is this a warning sign? Or maybe, is it actually a sign my body's doing something right? Well, get ready for a twist, because science just dropped a wild theory. Grey hair might actually be your body protecting you from cancer. Let's break down the science. Researchers in Japan led by Emi Nishimura from the University of Tokyo just published a study in Nature Cell Biology, and their findings might change how you see every silver strand. We all know that grey hair happens when pigment-producing cells in our hair, called melanocytes, stop working. But where do these cells come from? Melanocyte stem cells, or MACSCs, living right in your hair follicles. Now here's where it gets fascinating. When these stem cells experience DNA damage, think of it as genetic wear and tear, or just the random chaos of life, they can react in two totally different ways. If the damage is from something like normal aging, these MACSCs go through a process called senescence-coupled differentiation. Let's call it seno-differentiation for short. Basically, the cell says, uh-oh, I'm damaged, better lock myself down and stop working so I don't turn into a problem. The result? Those pigment cells disappear, and your hair turns grey. But that's not the whole story. If those same stem cells get hit with damage from something nastier, like UVB rays from the sun or certain chemicals, they can actually avoid this protective shutdown. Instead, they keep cloning themselves even when they're messed up. That's risky, because those damaged cells can start growing out of control, eventually turning into melanoma, a dangerous type of skin cancer. Why does this happen? It turns out the local environment around the stem cells can send out signals like a molecule called stem cell factor, or SCF, that encourages damaged cells to tough it out instead of shutting down. It's like the difference between a smoke alarm that quietly disables itself versus one that just keeps beeping no matter what. So, what does this mean for you and me? No, grey hair is not a magic shield against cancer, but it's a visible sign that your body is choosing the safer path, sacrificing hair color to get rid of cells before they can turn dangerous. And the same stem cells can end up with totally different fates, depending on the kind of stress they experience and the signals they get. Next time you spot a grey, maybe give it a nod of respect. It might just be a badge of your body's inner wisdom, quietly protecting you one strand at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more science surprises, because the more you know, the cooler the world gets.